Good morning, guys. Good morning, Lexi. Good morning, Daddy.
I can't wait to leave this time.
So, guys, today is Friday and it's church day. So, before we go to church, we have a very simple mission. Mission namin because we already reached our 100 subscribers. Say yay, baby! Yay! So it's only 100 subscribers, guys, but we're very thankful. So we're gonna share some food to our street sweepers today.
Yes.
Very simple lang, guys. Just to be thankful. And other than that, gusto din namin turuan si Lex how to give to other people, especially those who are in need. And yung mga street sweepers natin, isa sila sa mga frontliners natin. So, ayun, we choose them to give some food packs. Ito yung mga food packs namin. So, we have burgers here and water. Where's the water, Lexi? Show the water. Show the water. Yay! So, ayun, guys. Tara, bigyan natin sila. Bye-bye. See you.
A few moments later.
So, ayun, guys. May tinawag kaming street sweeper.
Give me the water to sleep.
So, we're gonna give burger and water. So, you give them water, baby.
Give water, baby.
Hi, brother. Good morning. Bye. Bye. Good morning, brother. For you. And you have water also. Give water, baby.
Water, baby.
Shukran. And water, king. Baby, give water.
Give water, sir.
Water, give water. One, water. Shukran. So, ayun, guys. Nakapamigay na kami ng 3 food packs para sa mga street sweepers.
Yes.
So, we still have 7 to go because we have 10. Actually, we prepared 100 reals worth of food packs for our 100 subscribers. Hindi naman siya exactly 100, pero it's for our 100 subscribers, guys. So, ayun. Naghahanap-hanap pa ulit kami ng mga street sweepers.
Yes, guys.
So, see you again later. Ayan, guys. Nandito lang kami sa sa neighborhood, Nasim neighborhood.
Hinahanting po namin mga green boys.
Ayan. Sino hinahunting mo, Daddy?
Mga green boys.
Mga green boys. Yung mga garbage collector, actually. Garbage collector is street sweeper. So, ayan. May sasakyan. Nasaan na ba sila? Nakatatlo na kami, guys. Asan pa yung 7? So, sana happy si Lex na naturuan namin din siya na how to give. Kasi yung mga street sweeper dito talagang nasa tirik sila ng araw, guys. So, dito ngayon medyo mag-winter na, so medyo malamig-lamig na siya ng konti, pero pag summer nakakaawa talaga sila, guys. Kaya ayun, gusto lang namin silang sharean. Dati pa namin tong gustong gawin, pero ngayon lang ulit kami nagkaroon ng chance na gawin. Although pag nakakakita naman kami ng street sweeper, inaabutan naman namin sila kahit kaunti. Pero first time namin gawin na magpamigay kami ng food. Good morning, brother. Up one. One more water, B.
One more water.
One more water. Oh, you give. Shukran, brother. So, ayun guys, nakapamigay na kami ng 5 packs ng food. Pero unfortunately, wala na kaming makita. So, it's 9:45 and 10 o'clock yung church namin. So, punta muna kami sa church. For sure naman, marami kaming madadaanan na mga street sweepers pa. So, ayun. See you later.
Meanwhile,
ayun guys. Ayun yung prospect namin. Sa kabila, iikutan namin sila. Sakto yung food namin, 5. So, isang bagsakan lang guys. Andito kami ngayon sa hospital. Ayan yung cash building. So, ayan yung Kmart. Dito lang kami sa roundabout. So, ayun. Ayan na sila guys. There. Ayan na, ang dami nila guys.
Guys, baby.
Ito.
Baby.
Give baby Give them. How many? B, more. Thank you, B. More. Ilan pa?
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang?
Hindi, ilan mo. Bigay mo na lang.
One more?
One more.
One more. B, give water to mommy. Give me water.
Give me water, baby.
Water. Put water inside. Okay, okay.
Then,
Give it to brother.
baby.
Hey, brother, here. Shukran, brother.
Wala na? Wala na?
Lalas?
May isa pa, may isa pa.
Lalas? You. Mafi? Wait. I still have one. More. Water, please. Water. Give to brother.
Give to brother.
Bye, brother. Take care. Bye. So, hello guys. Ayun, nakatapos na kami guys. Nakapag-distribute na kami ng mga food packs. So, sobrang happy kami guys na nagawa namin tong simple mission na to. So, again, tong mission na to ay ginawa namin to syempre para kay Lord, number 1. Talaga na namin gusto gawin ito. To share the blessings, to share God's grace. So, thank you so much. And also, ginawa namin to thank our 100 subscribers! Yay! Good job, B! And also, more importantly, ginawa din namin to para maturuan namin si Lexus again to share how to share blessings to other people, especially those in needs. Yung mga street sweeper dito, yung mga gardener, garbage collector, sobrang liit lang ng mga sahod nila, and maghapon silang nakababad sa araw. So ayun, ginawa namin to para at least kahit paano mapasaya namin sila guys. And nakita naman talaga sa mga faces nila na happy sila. Yung isa na daanan pa namin, kinakain niya na yung food. Kasi nag-iikot kami nung pagbalik namin, kumakain na siya. Tumambay na siya tapos kumain siya. Nakakatuwa lang guys, masaya sa feeling. And si Lex din sobrang happy. Are you happy, baby?
Are you happy, baby?
Are you happy? Yes? Yes, so sobrang happy siya nang pinapamigay niya yung food. Kasi yung sa huli, talagang siya yung pinag-abot namin dun sa last na pinag-stop overa namin. So, ayun guys, sana natuwa din kayo sa video na to. And, sana nag-enjoy kayo. And, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aming channel, please mag-subscribe kayo. And, please like and share also. And, ayun lang guys. See you on our next video. Bye-bye!